Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Sithelo. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and also share this video. So Twitter influencer and blogger Musa Kaula opened up a space on Twitter to address the whole Sithelo allegations against Mama's boy Andile Mpisane today, you guys. And I must say, things really got heated as Sbahle, who is Andile's half-sister, joined the space and defended her brother Andile. Sbahle threw her former best friend Sithelo under the bus and said some shocking things about Sithelo. She questioned why she never opened a case of abuse if she was really being abused, you guys. She said had Sithelo opened a case, then they would have dealt with this matter as a family and eventually, found a solution, you guys. Sbahle responded to a tweet who made it seem as though Sbahle denied the abuse. She said, "How will I say she wasn't abused when I wasn't aware of such? With lack of knowledge, I said that picture she posted failed to make me understand how it led to a miscarriage," but y'all explained. Sithelo's sister Z wrote this during the space in a now deleted tweet defending her sister. She said, "Sengathi angakhubeseka umlomo ke manje," meaning I wish she would get hurt in her mouth and shut up. Hi, please guys do engage with me in the comment section below. Subscribe if you have not yet done so. I will definitely see you on my next upload. Thanks for watching this video. Bye.
In terms of who's wrong, who's right, nokuthi uSithelo got attracted to ingane. Angazi obviously siyazi ukuthi yena yabenza ukuthi ama-attracted to ingane yasekhaya, nokuthi u-Andile wayejoba umuntu omdala. Obviously yabona izinto ezingazazi, yatreatwa ngendlela entsha esingayazi ukuthi yayinjani, but ekugcineni if wakumjabulisa lokho wakumjabulisa. Nawe Sithelo if ukudlala le game ayidlala wakumnandi, siphelile uphatheke kabi usenendaba zokukhuluma asho athi wayeshawa and thina zumndeni sasazi. Ngangazi lutho yena ugirl vele asengiqalile ukukhuluma naye khathi semithi ingane yesibili, khathi imithi ingane yokuqala ngakhuluma naye, ngizwana nengane kuphela. But kuma yinto yokuthi wonke umuntu uzohlezi enokubheda kwakhe. There's always ups and downs into life. So in relation to le ndaba yakhe ukuthi ubani owenzazi, ningidoro engizaziyo guys, especially because uSithelo ngamazi kuna-19, siningidoro engizaziyo but angisoze akhuluma ngabantu. In relation to Ubhuti, he became an artist at a young age. He saw a lot, and besides, ingane who were his age, we're not people uzobathola emaklabhini, wayithola thina emaklabhini, so it's also understandable but maybe that's why he was looking mostly at abantu abadala kunaye. But in relation to everything ekhulunywayo, uma cela ngangena esasheni because uma phela egcine eshiya so support into esiyithandayo thina. If ngithi ngifuna ukuthola mina nendoda eshadile uma engaphatheka kabi ngoba egcineni wayithola nobaba babebhizi entanta namantombazane. So for me to do that, ngime umuntu ontanta nendoda eshadile, she'll be very disappointed. And I told myself ukuthi khona I won't lie, khona abashadile ukubabuke ngizomnandi la, but ngiyibamba kahle ngithi ngengikwazi ukudisappoint uma kuyo yonke into engiyenzayo. I don't disappoint my mom. And in relation to Andile ubeseshadile manje, they look happy. And either way, uThami ngiyamthanda mina, she looks very young. As much as she's 3 years older, she looks actually younger than Andile, which is beautiful. And with me being in the experience, sure, uThami wasn't my friend, so I don't need to be all nice, but I'm very happy with her. Ayikho into wrong gabo, yonke into in relation to our family side, we are happy with that. And anganazi iy'toro zokuthi wayefeba wayenzani. The fact that uSithelo vele wayedumile ukuthi wayemithe nomuntu oshadile and then she was the reason behind a divorce, ethi ingane yakhe yimbi nani. That is wrong. Vele uSithelo is a person who likes attacking people verbally, and nalokho ukuthi manje useyakhipha istory esadala to istory sangempela, because ekugcineni mina akuyonto engiyaziyo ukuthi she was being abused. But the fact ukuthi ukhipha leso story manje and uyasikipha and then uyathula, like obviously mokhipha into, continue with it, ukubonala ekugcineni ukuthi who's on the right between the two teams. angaminto ukuthi uyakhuluma for a cloud or ukuthi ukhulume to destroy igama la Andile, because it did destroy igama la Andile, and it did destroy actually igama lethu as umndeni ka-Andile. And also uSithelo and I were still in communication noma u-Andi adishadile noThamya. She was not my enemy because vele umzali wey'ngane zasekhaya, so I had to respect that. And but manje masekhipha le ndaba, all of a sudden usengiblockile ku-Instagram. In fact, she blocked my whole family on Instagram. Ngamtshela ngathi Sithelo, actually fuck you and your ancestors, ngoba like zithini kanje, why usifaka endabeni zakho? Because ekugcineni, when things get sorted, when everything gets sorted, sephuma nokuthi fine, girl, she's ibaby mama sekhaya, how is she gonna feel? Because ekugcineni umuntu nje singenandaba naye, like mina angisoze ngahleka noSithelo, I'll never say hi, I'll never do anything, because ekugcineni indaba yakhe no-Andile ukuthi kwenzakaleni nani into wafuna ukuthi ayikhulume nathi, ngaminto nathi sibona ku-Instagram. So in relation to everything, yazi sonke sidinwe indlela ehlukile, nami ngidiniwe, but ngifuna ukuthi nje sazi kahle ukuthi guys, singablame yonke into, more especially like ingalo. Obviously mina ngakundaba yami ngihlangana la, ngingakhuluma ngo-Andile noSithelo noThamya Mlufuna, but uma umzali nabazali gazi zingane abayingena indaba zethu, kwamina kwayimanje nje abayingena indaba zethu, mina ngicela ngihlale ekhaya ngina-18 from 19 until today, angazi ngihlale ekhaya. And vele bazothetha abazali bethi yini ngafuna uhlala endlini mina ekhaya, umuzi wasekhaya, I would love to stay there, but I've always preferred my privacy, ukuthi ngizenzele into zami isikhathi sami, nokuthi ngihlale ekhaya uma ngitshela athi angibuye by 10 o'clock. So kufuneka sazi ukuthi kuyo yonke into soyikhuluma singamfaki umzali, ngoba umzali will just have to tolerate into esiyithandayo. Simple. Thank you. I'm gonna